All right, working on this Whirlpool double stack laundry center, and just checking it right now. The complaint on it, unit is burning smell. Now, these are good units. If you have one of these, you want to keep them. They run forever. So, first thing I notice is this, okay? When you overload your dryer, this section here gets hot. Whatever fabric you're using, there's a good chance it could melt here. And you're gonna start smelling burning smell. Doesn't mean your dryer's not good. So we're gonna clean this off and keep your loads under here. You gotta remember the machine is rotating. So if you stuff this thing to where the heat is always melting, it's gonna melt, it's gonna damage. So do not overload your machine. Also, if you cover this is your vent, basically. So you wanna keep your loads it's not a big machine. Don't overload it. Keep this clean. Take a look. Okay, not just that, but this. Look at this. Okay. So this customer either has been cleaning her dryer properly. Let's get in here so you guys can see. This is filthy. All right. So I'll talk to her about that. We're gonna get a brush and get all this stuff cleaned out. Otherwise your dryer's not gonna dry. You wanna reach down in here, get all of this sucked out. This is not a one-time use. This is ongoing. This dryer is probably taking forever to dry and overheating. So she was wanting to replace the machine. And I said, no, let me check it first. So, and that's what's going on with this. Normally you take it apart to clean it, but you can actually do a pretty good job just coming in here. I'm gonna get a brush and get all of this sucked out and clean. All right, just reach in there, keep this clean. You might need to set this under the sink and clean it. If you can pour water and it pools, or if it's getting rusty, that means that you're getting a lot of moisture, your dryer's not drying properly, and you might need to replace this or get it cleaned because it's gonna start to rust and eventually it will break and it won't give you the service that you need. So if you can see through it, it is still good, as you can see, but I would wash it and make sure it's dry before you put it back. Let's get this out of here and let's get a brush so we can get this thing cleaned a little bit better. All right, so if you're having burning smell, this is your first go-to. Make sure that you don't have anything up here. And wire brush will work, or a good putty knife. Protect your eyes, stuff will go flying. All right, got most of it off. Let's go over it with a wire brush. Much better. And this has to be cleaned out. All right, you get the idea. I'm gonna concentrate on getting the rest of this nicely cleaned and probably blown out. And with a vacuum, you have a very small, powerful blower. We'll get this blown out. Wear a mask. All right, so the fabric that was melted was sitting right there. And the reason, you can even smell it slightly, but it's nothing crazy. We already scraped it off. So you might still get some residual, but it's nothing crazy. Just make sure that you don't stuff your dryer to the point to where fabric is constantly sitting there. If there's a lot of, I guess, polyester, make sure that you keep them lower. Don't overstuff your machine. And of course, keep this nice and clean. As you see, this is nice and cleaned already. And that's it. Don't slam your door.